Dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Lecture second on President. At मंज वनो President मुतल lecture second मंज President became President मुतालिक बी वनो के important factors related to the President. President of India. Coordinate जायस how many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President from science, literature, art, social service background? यानी कस member च President nominate करान from these backgrounds यानी science पे literature art social service तम पे तुलान सह 12 members से president हेकान करित nominate यमो background पे science पे literature art and social service backgrounds इथे कन ब्याक one line question how many members of Lok Sabha can a president nominate कस हेक nominate करित members Lok Sabha में 2 members from the Anglo Indian community. How many veto powers are exercised by the President of India? Amis kis power ch amis 3 powers. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for President's rule? When sa President's rule kat article of Indian Constitution man deal karan so karan article 356. Which articles provide for constitutional limitations on the president's power? Tatmachivan Article 53(1), Article 75(1), Article 74(1), and Article 75(3). The impeachment process of Indian president as under Article 61 is taken from which country? The impeachment process of Indian president as under Article 61 is taken from which country? Country USA. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with salary, emoluments, allowances, and privileges of the president? Such is deal karan kath Indian Constitution man schedules, total schedule 12 schedules, that man second schedule karan deal kath salary, emoluments, allowances, and privileges of the president. The president can be removed from his office through the process of impeachment on what grounds? Cut grounds per chekan remove karit on the office without the completion of his tenure, that is on the violation of the constitution. Agar ye violate gasi against constitution tel hekon remove karit from the office. The impeachment bill of the president needs to be passed by what majority? Yani 2/3 of the total membership of that house. If the office of the president falls vacant by resignation, removals, death, or any other case, then election to fill the vacancy needs to be held within what duration? Agar ye president sund post vacant या गसी resignation दी सु या ये remove करने या गस death of the president या बदर कान cause गसी तम साथ से election to करो इस कम खतर to fill the vacancy तात कुतर time छ थवान duration तात गसन रोज 6 months. The process of impeachment as provided under Article 61 is what type of process? You see, impeachment gasan Article 61 as man that process sukat lekhan judicial procedure. Which type of veto is not available to the Indian president? Just available lekhan qualified veto. What is the maximum duration of the ordinance passed by the president? That's answer 6 months, 6 weeks. Who has the authority to declare war or conclude peace? Kuse ki declare karit war ya conclude peace kare president is subject to parliament's approval. President's pardoning power extends to kotata koi extend kari thi yani death sentence or a sentence for an offense against union law or court martial. Okay, important facts related to President of India. President of India se related facts important pointers regarding President of India. Zakir Hussain was first Muslim president and third in row. He was shortest serving president. Second, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed and Zakir Hussain were the only 2 presidents who died in office. Varagiri Venkatagiri was the first who became acting president of India. There have been 3 interim presidents and 14 full-time presidents till date. Varagiri, Muhammad Hidayatullah and B.D. Jeti were interim presidents. Yithai kanchi Gyani Zail Singh was the first Sikh president. Godnik Sikh president yuchu suchosmud Gyani Zail Singh. Kochril Raman Narayan was the first Dalit president and the oldest president of India. Dr. APJ Abul Kalam was popularly known as People's President. V.V. Giri was the only president to resign from acting president to contest the election of president. M. Hidayatullah was the first CJI, Chief Justice of India, to be appointed as an acting president. APJ Abul Kalam and V.V. Giri were the presidents who received Bharat Ratna. Yani yaman don chu tormut Bharat Ratna. APJ Abul Kalam V.V. Giri chamut Bharat Ratna receive karmazi. Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India. She was the 12th in row. Yani bahim president in the row. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the only president who won unopposed election. He was only the youngest president at the age of 64. Draupadi Murmu is the first tribal woman who is serving as the president of India. She is also the first president of India who was born after independence. Appointed by president. President kamis appoint karan. Yani president was kuda power kamis appoint karit. Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, PMS to be Cabinet Minister and Chikaran appoint, Yasijan deal Chikaran, Article 75. Attorney General of India, Article 76 chasti deal karan, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Article 148 chasti deal karan, Supreme Court and High Court judges to appoint karan kus, President, Chief Election Commission, Article 324, Finance Commission, UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Joint Public Service Commission, Joint Public Service Commission members, Special Officer for SC/ST, Official Language Commission, Governor, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. Yim appointments karan kus President of India. So on videos, second lecture, ya facts regarding President of India. Thank you.